Welcome back. Today on the deep dive, we're tackling one product, one source reviewing it, the Be Bodywise Hair Serum Roll-On. We're really trying to cut through the usual marketing hype here and, set some realistic expectations. Is it actually regrowth or is it regret?
Exactly. And this review gives us a good structure. We're focusing on convenience, the actual ingredients, and probably the biggest hurdle, the timeline you need for results.
Okay, let's start with what jumps out first, the convenience. The source calls the roll-on super convenient. That seems to be the immediate draw.
Oh, absolutely. It's a huge deal compared to the standard liquid serums.
Right, the ones with the droppers.
Yeah, those often leave your hair feeling, well, greasy or sticky. It makes it really hard to use them consistently, especially if you need to go out. This review really emphasizes that the roll-on avoids that whole oily helmet situation. It just glides onto the scalp. Much easier to stick with.
Okay, convenience is great, but only if the stuff inside actually works, right? Is there real science backing this up, or is it just easier to apply?
Well, that's where it gets interesting. The review suggests the formulation is pretty legit, science-backed. It's not just, nice-smelling oils. It mentions specific compounds like redensyl, gain, and aminexyl. These are known in the hair care world.
Hold on, redensyl, aminexyl. Can we break those down a bit? What are they actually supposed to be doing?
Sure. So think of redensyl as kind of a wake-up call for hair follicles. It helps push them from the resting phase back into the active growing phase.
Okay.
And aminexyl works differently. It's more about helping the existing hair follicle stay anchored longer, sort of extending its lifespan. So you're getting growth stimulation and trying to keep the hair you have.
Got it. Stimulation and longevity. Makes sense why it feels legit, as you said.
Right.
But is it possible they made it less potent to achieve that non-greasy feel? Like, did they sacrifice active ingredient levels for comfort?
That's a fair question. The source doesn't suggest that. It seems to imply the concentration is effective for the right person. But that brings us straight to the reality check part.
Ah, yes. The timeline. This is where things usually fall apart with hair growth products.
Totally. This is absolutely not an overnight fix.
Yeah.
The source is very clear on that. Patience is mandatory.
So how long are we talking? What's the minimum commitment before you even see a hint of something happening?
Okay, so according to the review, the very first signs, and we're talking tiny, small baby hairs, maybe a little less hair fall.
Yeah.
Those only started appearing around the 2-month mark.
2 months. Wow.
Yeah, and that's just the start. Both the brand and the reviewer really stress you need at least 3 months of consistent daily use. Skipping days basically wastes your effort because hair growth cycles are slow and steady.
Okay, 2 months just for baby hairs, 3 months minimum overall. That's a big ask, especially, I imagine, when you factor in the cost.
Exactly. That's the practical downside mentioned. It's described as not super cheap,
Right.
and given you absolutely need that 3-month minimum window, you're definitely going to need more than one bottle. It's a real financial commitment up front before you even know for sure if it's the right product for you.
Which leads to the other big caveat, I guess. Who is this actually for?
Right. It's not a cure-all. The source suggests it's best suited for a mild to moderate hair fall, kind of often linked to stress, maybe some lifestyle factors. If you're dealing with more significant issues like diagnosed hormonal problems, thyroid conditions, or really severe thinning, this serum alone probably isn't going to cut it.
So let's wrap this up. The takeaway seems to be the Be Bodywise Roll-On looks like a pretty decent option. It tackles the greasy hair problem, uses real science like redensyl and aminexyl, but it's really only for someone with mild or moderate hair fall who is genuinely prepared to commit to using it daily for 3 months and cover the cost of multiple bottles before seeing significant results.
Precisely. And it leaves you with an interesting thought, doesn't it? The review highlights the roll-on design, the convenience, as key to helping people stay consistent for those tough initial months. So how much does the actual application method, not just the fancy ingredients, influence whether we succeed with these long-term treatments like hair growth? Maybe sometimes the product fails simply because it's too annoying to use consistently. Something to think about.